Hello and welcome to Makula. My name is Sheroz, and today we're talking about work orders in CMMS. Now, as you log in and navigate to the work orders module, you have your list view of work orders, which gives you a basic overview of the work order. The type of the work order, the name, serial number, of course, or ID, the name of the asset that the work order is for, the serial number of the asset, if the work order has been assigned yet or not, if it's overdue or when it's due, plus the status. There are, of course, various views. You have your table view, your board view, and a calendar view that you can also visualize your work orders in. Let's go into a work order and see what it looks like. As you come into the work order, you have a little messaging section. The first thing you see is the status, the name, type of work order, the asset it's for, and then some work order information. Information like when it was created, who it was created by, if it's scheduled for a certain date and time for the work to be carried out, and if there's a due date for the work to be carried out. If a description was added, then that appears here. Any procedures that your engineers need to fill out, any forms or checklists that need to be filled out, they would do that or attach those here, but most likely fill out on the mobile app. Any parts that are being replaced in this work order can be added here. You have work order custom fields, certain asset custom fields that show up here, which show you, for example, the installation date or the machine status. Your technicians also have access to the machine documentation at all times, while also having visibility into past maintenance work, which they can view in the history. What's also important is tracking how much time your engineers are spending on the asset. They can easily track time by either manually adding a time entry, where they define a start date and time, end date and time, give it a tag and a little description, or when they're using the mobile app, they simply press a record button, which is as simple as tapping it on the mobile app, just as you see it here, and then stopping it to then fill out the specifics. That's all for work orders. But if you're interested in how other features work and want to dive in more into any of the other modules within the CMMS workspace, feel free to check out our other videos. Thank you.